Welcome to step 7 of the hamburger method. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're in the home straight now. What are we looking at? We're looking at boundaries, and boundaries are amazing things to protect that newfound zen, hopefully, that you're experiencing. We've just created some huge physiological shifts in your biochemistry. And so, what we're wanting to do now is create those invisible force fields where you say yes to yourself and your peace, and offer others alternatives. You can say no, but when you're starting out with boundaries, that no seems really harsh. But we're all going to start somewhere though, right? Now, when to do it? We have the boundaries in the last part of this because we're defending what we've just created. And so when you're starting with boundaries, if you haven't been very good at working with boundaries before, then start with small things like remote controls or some things that are not very consequential in your life. Start with the little things and just say that doesn't work for me. I'm not available for that sort of thing. And so the boundary is what your behavior will be if that behavior continues from the other person. So being not available, if you continue to run late, I'm not available at that time. Let's look at some other days. So and it's a shift in the language. So you don't as I said, you don't necessarily need to say no. So start small, give it a go, and then work up to, when you're working through the different levels of this as well, work up to guarding your time and your energy, because those are our most precious resources as well. So I shall see you in the next video.